Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share chicken malai boti recipe with you. It's a barbecue dish and malai means cream and boti means a piece of chicken. This dish is known for its creamy melt in the mouth texture, so it will be cooked on very slow flame and it's very juicy and very tender. So let's get started. For the marination of chicken malai boti, I do have 1.5 kg boneless chicken, which I will wash with the vinegar and salt to finish the smell of chicken. And then I do have some spices here. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 1.5 cup yogurt, 1 cup fresh cream, and then I have some freshly chopped green chili, which is nearly 50 grams. So let's get started the marination. So I washed the boneless chicken with vinegar and salt. Now I'm gonna start the marination. First I'm gonna add the yogurt. Then I will add ginger garlic paste. Now I will add all the spices. Then I will add green chili. And then I add milk powder and fresh cream, and I will mix everything together so chicken can absorb every spices in it and it can enhance the flavor. Some people do use gloves, but I feel like it's more easier to do mix with the hands. So the mixing is done and I will leave this batter around 12 hours or maybe the whole night. It's really good if you give more time for the marination. So the overnight marination is done and I put them in the skewers. Let's start to cook it. So the chicken malai boti is ready and I served it with naan and salad. You can add your favorite sauce if you want, and it's so tender and so juicy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you tried this recipe, please comment down below. Thank you.